Hi guys, Mr. Teo here. Since the Mid-Autumn Festival is around the corner, how about the mooncake puzzle? Chang'e, Hou-Yi, and the Jade Rabbit were all sharing a mooncake one Mid-Autumn Festival. But even though they love mooncakes, dividing the mooncake fairly in the previous years had proven a challenge. Because of the inhomogeneous shape and filling, at least one of them would go away feeling that they got a less desirable piece. But this year, the Jade Rabbit found some pretty informative science TikToks explaining the Selfridge-Conway algorithm to cake cutting. He shares it with the rest, and they decide to try it out this year. Since it's ladies first, Chang'e divides the mooncake into what she feels are three fair pieces, A, B, and C. Then Hou-Yi decides on his favourite two, in this case A and B, and shaves off a trimming of his favourite, in this case A, to make both pieces what he feels is of equal value to him. The trimming is set aside, and now it's the rabbit's turn to choose. The rabbit thinks that B is the best, so he chooses that. Now it's Hou-Yi's turn to choose, and obviously he chooses the trim piece, which is A, since he thinks that C is the lousiest. This leaves the last piece, C, for Chang'e, and obviously she's okay with that since she was the one who divided it up in the first place. Now there's still the sliver that was chopped off from before. Since Hou-Yi was the one who chose the trim piece, the rabbit thinks that it's only fair that he himself cuts first and lets the others choose. The rabbit cuts the trimming up into three pieces, letting Hou-Yi choose first, and then Chang'e, and the rabbit himself takes the last piece. So Chang'e is obviously happy because she gets an extra piece from what she thought was fair. Hou-Yi is happy too, because he and the rabbit had equal pieces to begin with, but Hou-Yi got the best part of the trimming. And of course the rabbit is alright with everything, because he was the one who divided the trimming in the first place. But perhaps for your own less mathematical mooncake parties, maybe buy more mooncakes? Curious minds, everyday discoveries.